Good morning, guys. All right, so we are down here in the basement because, guys, right behind this little plant is the guest bedroom that is now 100% complete. I think the last time you guys saw it, we had just a little bit more to do, but right now, guys, I can say that we're done. The property brother, he's done. I don't think there's anything left to do in this house. All right, so before I give you a complete tour of the guest bedroom, I want to point out a few areas that are a little bit different from what you saw on the initial video. You guys remember this mirror, right? Just a really basic, plain old mirror. All right. Now, I wanted to zhuzh it up a little bit, if you will, and I added this little insert that I purchased at Marshall's, and I used my trusty E6000 glue, and I affixed it to the mirror, and I think it looks just a lot snazzier. You guys see that? Look how pretty that is. And I love the fact that the wood in the little insert here of the mirror really kind of mimics what's going on over here in this area of the room. This wood right here, this kind of almost washed out beachy type of gray and kind of brown wood right here really plays well with the new look of the mirror. So as you guys know, I have two of the mirrors, so I had to do the same thing over here in this corner of the room, and I just really like the look of it now. Do you guys notice a little difference in the tables here? So we originally had these really neat little geometric shaped tables, but they did not allow for a lot of room on top. You know, the lamps fit up here pretty good, but you know, if you wanted to sit a mug of hot chocolate, cup of coffee, a bottle of water, it was going to be a bit of a stretch. So I found these trays at Home Goods, guys, and decided to sit them here on top of the table. I put some little rubber stoppers on the bottom that keeps the little trays from sliding around. And now I think it adds a lot more structure. We have a lot more room, obviously, here on top of the table for our guests to sit, you know, maybe their phone and things like that on. And of course, we have two of them. So here is the other one over here. And I just think adding the trays just really adds a little bit more of a luxe look also. I think they're the perfect size for the guest bedroom. However, adding the trays just really kicked the look of these tables up a notch. All right. I added this cute little table. This table works perfectly, I feel, here in this area of the bedroom because it is a corner table. So just the right size, just the right fit for this little area of the room. You'll see too, as I get ready to give you a complete look of the finished bedroom, that I really focused on white roses and gardenias as my focal plant for the room. I love them. I think outside of adding real plants to your guest bedroom, having these types of roses or gardenias in the guest bedroom just really make the bedroom really welcoming. All right, and then the final thing I want to share with you here, guys, is the built-in, or are the built-ins that Eric put in for us or for the guests. I love how it turns out. You guys know I am a huge proponent of having our rooms, our home flow nicely from one room to the next. And you guys will recall that I have something quite similar to this over in my little crafts room. So I love the idea of adding it over here. All the little baskets here, these really pretty gray baskets. We even added some doors up here. They all create just the look of balance I think the room needed, and then also just some much needed storage. We'll be able to store the remotes and the Apple TV all down here in this drawer. Again, with the flowers, I just think the space looks just really, really homey, really inviting, so that, you know, when we have people stay over, they're going to be really comfortable, I think, here in this room.